Hi, Todd Bourne here in the Forecast Center with a look at our Memorial Day weekend forecast and, of course, the weather through next week. And it looks like the nice weather that we've had here over the last several days is going to continue through the holiday weekend, which is good news for Mudbug Madness fans this weekend. You can see for this Friday evening, it looks pretty nice as we will see temperatures fall out of the 80s into the 70s this evening. Highs tomorrow back to the mid to upper 80s. Same thing for Sunday, and both Saturday and Sunday evening temperatures will likely fall into the 70s. Look at the weather pattern here, shows that we will see pretty much the same setup that we've had the last couple of days. Area of high pressure, which is now centered over the Great Lakes. You can see on the southwest side of its clockwise circulation, we do have a northeasterly wind. And move this through the next 24 hours, you can see this high is not really moving very much. We do have an area of low pressure moving towards the coast of South Carolina. And what this means for us is really no change. We'll continue to have the northwest or northeasterly wind, I should say, and that means the humidity should remain relatively comfortable here across the area. It also means that we'll see the continuation of the dry weather. Here's a look at Robin's Toyota Futurecast showing a mostly clear sky tonight. Tomorrow we will see sunshine in the morning, few clouds mixing in the afternoon. Tomorrow night, expect a mostly clear sky. And then for Sunday, we'll see sunshine in the morning with, again, a few clouds mixing in the afternoon. But the good news is no need to worry about any rain Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. And now it's looking as if Tuesday, Wednesday could be dry as well. Let's take a look at the longer range pattern here. And you can see how this could play out as we have a couple of things we're watching. Upper level high pressure over the Great Lakes. We have this weakness here over the southeastern sections of the country. And what this means is that in the upper levels of the atmosphere between this ridge and this upper level low, we have a relatively strong north to northwesterly wind above us, which is also working to keep us dry. That's going to continue through the weekend, and then we'll see things begin to shift more towards the east. We'll have to keep an eye on a disturbance which moves across South Texas during the middle of the week. It looks like most of the rain associated with it will stay to our south. Our next best chance of rain likely will come towards the end of next week and next weekend. You can see this particular model showing scattered showers and thunderstorms next Saturday, and most other longer range models on board with that particular scenario. And if you add up all the rain from especially the end of this 10-day period upcoming, it looks like still a good half an inch to an inch is what we're looking at as far as rainfall potential, generally speaking, across the region. Obviously, given the scattered nature of the rain, many locations will see quite a bit less, and many locations could get a little bit more than an inch. And it does appear as if we will see a bit of an increase in the humidity as well as the wind shifts around towards the south and southeast heading through next week. So your forecast in more detail for tonight. Expect a mostly clear sky, another mild night tonight as temperatures will be in the 50s and low 60s north, mid 60s south, 64 in Shreveport, 61 in Atlanta, 60 in Texarkana. How about 56 in Hope for the nighttime low tonight? Tomorrow we'll see plenty of sunshine with a few clouds mixing in the afternoon. Highs will mainly be in the mid to upper 80s, 88 Manny, 87 in Shreveport, 85 in Magnolia, and 83 degrees for the high temperature in DeKalb. 10-day forecast shows that temperatures will be warming up a little bit as we go into next week. You can see by midweek, highs should be in the low 90s, lows warming up close to 70. We'll see a slight chance for that scattered shower or thunderstorm Thursday and Friday. Those rainfall chances will increase late Saturday, Saturday night, and Sunday of next week with, as of right now, no concerns of any severe weather as we're pretty much through with the majority and pretty much all of especially tornado season here across the Arklatex. So looks like the nice weather continues through the Memorial Day weekend, but next week we get a little bit hotter, a little bit more humid with a chance for some rain towards the end of the week.